Well, hi again. Welcome back to my studio. If you are new here, my name's Kyria Palaskis. This is Tina, and we are a craft-based designer and content creator power couple, and we're here to share with you DIYs, crafty ideas, small business tips, and so much more to help you lead your best creative life. So let's get stuck into it. This is episode 2 in my ongoing series showcasing Adobe Spark and how to use it to elevate your brand. Adobe Spark is an all-in-one design app that allows you to quickly and easily create show-stopping visual assets for your brand or creative project. Today we're going to be exploring the topic of visual consistency when it comes to branding your business or your creative project. So why is it so important to be consistent across all of your visual assets? Well, the more consistent they are in appearance, the more easily recognizable your brand or project is going to be to your audience. So every time someone sees that consistent imagery that you've created, their brain is going to automatically associate it with you, and your brand or project is going to jump into the top of their minds straight away, which is exactly what you want. Some elements to consider when creating consistent visual branding are things like logos, colors, fonts, and icons that you can incorporate into your designs each time to cultivate recognition of your brand. Adobe Spark has many handy tools that make creating consistent branded visual assets super easy. Today we're going to focus on 2 of these, the Resize tool and the Brand tool. I used my branded fonts and colors to create this design idea for the YouTube thumbnail of this episode, but now I want to repurpose the design to create a matching tile to promote the launch of the episode on Instagram. You can do this quickly and easily by accessing the Resize tool and scrolling through the many size options available. A quick note, I'm using Spark Post on a desktop, but if you're using it on your phone or tablet, these features may be located in different places. On a desktop, most of your tools are located on the right or left-hand side of your workspace. Once I've selected a square tile to resize to, it's just a matter of adjusting my graphics, text, and background to fit the new size. This took me literally around 1.5 minutes to do, so quick. A quick introduction to the Brand tool, which is one of my favorite features in Adobe Spark. You can upload your brand logos, fonts, and color palette into Spark, then easily access them for use in any project. Spark will remember your assets and suggest them to you when you're browsing fonts, colors, etc. You can also brandify any design with the click of a button, creating a consistent look instantly for your project. There are so many other asset sizes that you can choose from within the Resize tool. Let's say I wanted to create a workbook to go with this episode. I simply choose a document size to resize to, in this case A4, and with a bit of rearranging, my design is repurposed again. To top it all off, I'm going to use the Brand tool to insert my preloaded logo into this document. And we're done! So as you can hopefully see from the demo, it is super easy to reformat an artwork using Adobe Spark to fit multiple platforms and multiple purposes. In doing this, you're able to quickly create a full suite of branded assets and achieve consistency across all of the visuals. This in turn helps your brand or your project be instantly recognizable by your audience, helping you to stand out amongst all the other content out there. I hope you found this episode useful and informative. If you wanted to try out Adobe Spark for yourself, check out the description below for a couple of super special subscription offers that I have left there for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if there's any other small business tips you would like to see me cover in this series, or if there's any Adobe Spark features you'd be interested in finding out more about. I'm super keen to hear from you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this episode. I will see you next time. Bye!